Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video, we're gonna learn how to disable comment links or URLs from the comments on your WordPress website for free into a simple, fast, and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, starts with the why. There is tons of spam comments that only do these comments on your blog posts to get some links, but there is a simple way, a simple code that you can apply on our site to remove links from comments. How to do this? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, all you have to do is enter your domain plus WP admin or WP login, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click into the submenu add new plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen into search plugins, click and type WP code Lite. Once right here, install this plugin, WP code, insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, scroll down. As soon as you activate a new plugin, you're going to be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and if you scroll down next to settings into the left sidebar of menus, you're going to be able to find a new menu. Call it code snippets. Hover your mouse over it and click into the submenu plus add snippet. Once right here, review this middle sidebar and move to the comments tab. And here is the guide we're looking for, disable comments URL linking. Yours may be showing a single button called connect to library. All you have to do is click into this button, a pop-up gonna appears where you're gonna create an account on WP library. You're gonna need to enter your email and set up a password, and all you have to do, close the pop-up. You're gonna be redirected right here with these two buttons, use snippet and preview. Here is the code, really simple, right? And all you have to do is you click on use snippet, just like this. This is going to create the codes for you, apply it to the site, this PHP code, and review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to the update button, there is a little switcher. We're going to change from inactive to active. Then hit the update button and no more comments linking. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!